In this lecture, we're going to look at a tool wrap. With this tool, we can wrap a closed sketch contour onto face. So here we have our sketch, this one, on the plane one. So it must be closed sketch, like we see it is. And we're going to wrap this sketch onto this face here. So let's go and let's show how to do that. Let's go to Features tab, and here we have a tool wrap. So now we have to select a face on which we want to wrap a sketch or an existing sketch. So let's select this sketch here. And now here we have few options. What we can do, we can emboss this sketch, we can deboss, or we can scribe. So first let's go with emboss. Here we have to choose on which face do we want to wrap this sketch. So let's choose this face. And now we can see the preview. And here we have a thickness. So we can go, for example, with 5 millimeters. And let's click OK. And now we got this result. So this is one option what you can do with wrap. Let's go back, let's go edit. And now here we have a pull direction. Let's check this, and for pull direction, let's choose this center line. So now our extrusion will be in this direction. Let's click OK. And now here we can see that this extrusion is parallel with this sketch here, this center line. As well here at the end, we can also see this. This edge is parallel with this center line. But this is only an option. If you don't choose this, then your extrusion will be normal to the face. Now let's go to the wrap again, edit feature. And now instead of emboss, let's go deboss. And now we're going to cut material. So we can now delete the pull direction. Let's delete. And we're going to have a thickness 5 millimeters, the depth. And now let's click OK. So now instead of adding material, we cut material. And now we got something like this. Now let's go back and let's see the third option. Let's go edit feature. Let's go with scribe. Like this. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. We didn't add any material and we didn't cut any material. We only got a sketch contour on this face. So you can see this is one face and this is second face. So this is how you can use a wrap tool. You can deboss, emboss, or scribe a sketch onto face.